nature friends. I'm out in the boat for an evening paddle. And I thought I would share just a little bit of the wetland here. There's not a great deal to look at this time of year. A lot of the plants are dying back. Some of the bugs that are regularly out here, like dragonflies and stuff, are mostly done, the damselflies, but it's very pretty. There's still a lot of lily pads out on the water, and I think all these dead things back in here are pickerel weed, which gets some really pretty purple flowers in the summer. It's really neat how the birds echo across the water. You can hear the blue jays. I can hear some nuthatches. And there's a very distant rattle. That's the belted kingfisher. I actually just saw him fly up into the trees over here. That's a really cool sound. There's an interesting bird over there. I don't know what that is, but it's really neat. Beautiful, eh? All the trees along the shoreline here. We have our white pines along here, and then we've got a lot of balsam fir along the shoreline edges. You don't see a lot of deciduous trees along the edge of this lake. It's very, very green. Also a lot of cedar. Some of these are cedar down here, white cedar. I'm gonna paddle a little bit more, see what we can find just up here. It's amazing how these rock faces are homes for such hanger-on plants. There's a Joe Pye weed growing right here. All this lichen. I think this is a type of dog pelt lichen. It's gotten a little crispy. We've had some dry periods here, but all growing up the rock faces here. This birch growing in the side of the rock. Kind of amazing, eh? Cedar. Here's a white cedar here. It's really beautiful landscape here. So peaceful out here on the lake. Here's some spring peepers off in the distance. Chipmunk on the shore over here. Another blue jay. Well, I should be heading back. It's just about dinner time. Thought I'd take you out on a little paddle though, and show you some lake scenes anyway. We'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, get out, see some cool stuff. Leave me a comment if you see anything really neat, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.